So in this question, we're asked to work out the value of this expression that we have here. So 2.645 times 10 to the power of 9 all over 1.15 times 10 to the power of 3. And we're asked to give our answer in standard form. So the numerator and denominator of the fraction are already in standard form, so it's going to be easy to kind of work with these and come to our final answer. So we could type this whole thing into our calculators, however it's always a good idea to kind of work through it logically and just check we know what we're doing with each part and make sure we don't make any mistakes, just to double check the answer that our calculator gives us. So working with two things multiplied together on the numerator and denominator, we can kind of work with these separately. So I can kind of isolate the first and second parts, the standard form parts and the kind of just number parts that we have at the start. So I can do these calculations separately and then it will leave me with an answer in standard form. So if I start by doing 2.645 divided by 1.15, that's going to give me an answer of 2.3, which is a nice answer. It only has a number in the units column, it doesn't have any tens, so we don't need to change this into standard form. And then similarly here, we can do the same thing with the 10 to the power ofs. And working with indice laws, if we have 10 to the power of A over 10 to the power of B, that simply gives us an answer of 10 to the power of A minus B. So that's one of the indice laws that we work with. So 10 to the power of 9 divided by 10 to the power of 3 gives us an answer of 10 to the power of 9 minus 3, so 10 to the power of 6. And then we can simply multiply the 2.3 and the 10 to the power of 6 together in order to work out this final value. So that leaves us with 2.3 multiplied by 10 to the power of 6, which is the final answer in standard form for this question.